to become a police officer.
Okay, Natik, for that you need English also to grow in life.
Yes.
What's your name, beta?
My name is Raga. My name is Raga. I am is
Army.
army.
Like your father? Well done. So, Pranav, tell about yourself.
I'm Pranav Sharma. I want to be a successful scientist.
Okay, so have an introduction of Deepika first.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. I'm Deepika. I want to be a successful scientist.
So you are a good speaker also. Next, please, Aarti.
My friends, I'm Aarti. I want to be a teacher.
Okay, next, please.
Hey, I'm Disha. I want to be a doctor.
Next, please.
I'm Garima. I want to be a nurse.
Next.
Good morning all of you. I'm Himanshu Gira. I want to be a successful pedagogue.
Vimla, I want your introduction first.
Good morning, sir. I'm Bimla Treza. I'm Phil in philosophy with 70% and pursuing M.Ed from MGSU and
By that time, whatever you have spoken is really appreciative. So Lalita, you are giving lectures also at PD. I want you also to tell something about yourself.
Okay, sir. Good morning, all of you. I'm Lalita Ahuja, and I want to be a successful ideal pedagogue.
So moreover, I want Manoj to tell something. Manoj, you want to tell something about yourself?
I am Manoj Kumar. I want to be an army officer.
Okay, Manoj, he is your son. You want to make him as an army officer.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So have your introduction, please.
Good morning everyone, myself Kaman Singh and I want to become an army officer.
Very good. Next, Mr. Anil, I think. Ha.
Good morning, friends. I am Bhaskar
Bhaskar.
Brahmanan and I am working as a civil engineer in army and I want to be an army officer.
Okay, students, I welcome all of you. Today we have a dynamic topic, that is your spoken English. We all are here to to learn some English aspects, right? So students, first question from myself, from all of you, is that we all are here to develop our English. Agree?
Yes.
See, only one thing, language. Whether it is Hindi, English or Punjabi, we have learned Hindi at our homes. क्या हिंदी सीखने के लिए हम कभी अपने घर से बाहर गए थे? Never ever. What we did, we just listened and we tried to repeat whatever the people are speaking, and we did the same thing, right? Similarly, today here, I am going to give you a very good way to develop your English, to present yourself in a best possible manner. As Madam Bimla has given her introduction in a best manner, I want that she should be able to speak in a more fluent manner. So how can it be possible? It can be only possible by learning few important things. First thing is the word language. Any language, whether it is Hindi, English or Punjabi. So always I ask this question कि usually हम लोग बातें करते हैं तो ज्यादा बात जेंट्स करते हैं, लेडीज करती हैं? Okay, ladies agree करते हैं कि इस बात से that lady speaks more. And whenever we see two ladies speaking, even when I saw my wife many times, ladies are speaking more in past tense. Agree करते हो मुझसे कि they speak more whatever has happened, जो चीज हो गई है. So we already know that there are three types of ways to speak anything. One is your past, another is your present, and another is your future, right? Similarly, when we talk about the aspects of verbs, we have how many types of verbs, Varun? Verb forms. V1, V2, how many types? Okay, we people think there are three types of verbs, but actually the verbs are of five types. How it is possible? One is whenever we are taking up the word eat. Example, we'll take eat. Second form is ate. Third is eaten. And the fourth form is eating. Whatever we are using, we will use ing also in that. Right? Now comes few aspect. Which one is the fourth form? Fourth form is the present indefinite, where we use the word eats. Right? So this is your always a fifth form. So from today onwards, we'll remember there are five forms of any verb. Now comes in the word of English. When we are coming in the world of English, we have to see so many things in our life. Today I have presented many important and interesting things for all of you, so that we will learn some dynamic ways. So for that I need some volunteers. मुझे कुछ volunteers चाहिए, and I want those volunteers to help me out, and I will try to give you something more dynamic which will be helpful to you in the further part of your life. For that I need some army person like you. Are you a smart man? You are in army, so I should call you. मेरे पास आयो, and please stand here. please come here. And next person, I need a beautiful lady over there. Please welcome. So madam, you are welcome from here. Okay, so I have called two members. I want Lalita also come out, please. You are also, she is your friend. So please welcome. So I have written few words over there for all of you. Yesterday I told this lady, her husband is a businessman, so I told her one word. So I won't ask her to speak this word because she is very intelligent. I'll tell this army person to read that word. Which was the first word which you are looking there? The first E.
Entrepreneur.
Very good. Whenever we see such word, we will speak entrepreneur, but the word which is actually is, I want that Rima to speak, tell this word because she has recently learned from yesterday onwards.
It's entrepreneur.
Very good. Do anybody know the meaning of entrepreneur in our class?
Businessman.
I agree with you, Deepika. It's businessman, but it means a creative businessman. It is not meaning only businessman. It means a creative businessman. So difference is there. Next, we have an interesting word. I will tell again an army man to speak this word. Please tell.
Pronunciation.
Very good. We speak it pronunciation, but actually the word is pronunciation. This noun. Again, I am telling you this word noun. We don't speak it as a noun. We always speak it as a nun. Panan. This word is pronunciation. That comes. You have an interesting word. There is one disease. Anybody is looking? I want Lalita to speak this word. Very good. लोगों के अस्थमा हो जाता है, प्रॉब्लम होती है, नो डाउट. बट अगर मैं इस वर्ड को आज के बाद बोलूंगा तो इसमें एजमा बोलूंगा. एजमा बोलिए. हाँ. तो from today onwards we won't speak it asthma. We will speak it asthma. Right? We have another word. So I want an army man. His turn has come. What is the word?
February.
Very good. Almost he has tried well. 90% is right. February. R-O-O. Consider it like this. February. Speak with me. February. And many people are speaking it February. So please इसको February मत बोलना. January नहीं. January को क्या बोलेंगे हम? January. January. Like कई लोग manager बोलते तो manager नहीं होता. The actual it is manager. Right? दिल्ली नहीं होता Delhi. क्या word use करेंगे? Delhi. Coming on the next thing, there is one. क्या word है? I want Rima to tell after this February. Very good. Here this word A, beverage. Beverage. Right? Next comes your word. It is, we will speak EV. We won't pronounce next E. We'll say every. Every. Means we don't speak it Eve, every. No. Every. Only. Next word for kids we are using this word.
Diaper.
Very good. Almost you have spoken right. People are speaking diaper, but actually it is diaper. A is silent here. Next important word has come in your life और आप लोग बहुत खाते भी होंगे. Very good. बादाम हम लोग खाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. Actually इसको जो pronounce करेंगे वो करेंगे almonds. बोलिए almonds. Almonds. इसको हम क्या नहीं बोलेंगे? Almond नहीं बोलेंगे. Almonds. Right? Coming on to next thing. बोलिए. Okay. क्या मीनिंग क्या होता है इसका? वेरी गुड. लेमन आ गया होगा आपके दिमाग के अंदर, मगर आप हैरान हो जाओगे इस वर्ड को सुन के. एक्चुअली इसको बोलते हैं सोवर. बोलिए मेरे साथ. सोवर. हम आज तक क्या बोलते आ रहे थे? सो आज के बाद हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे. विल स्पीक सोवर. नेक्स्ट योर वर्ड. एक्चुअली हियर ए इज साइलेंट. We won't use A here. So the word is comfortable. We won't use this table. हम इसको टेबल नहीं बोलेंगे. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Comfortable. Very good. Next comes buffet system. क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? We are spreading food when we are going somewhere in the parties. हमको अपने यहाँ खाना खाना होता है और वो हम पर buffet system होता है और हम वहां से कुछ भी lunch dinner whatever the things हम लोग लेते हैं. But actually the word is buffet. बोलिए मेरे साथ. Buffet. It is not. No, in English. हाँ, maybe. But English it is English pronunciation of this word. तो हम इसको buffet नहीं बोलेंगे. आज के बाद हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Buffet. Buffet. Right? Coming on your next word, there's word B-O-W-L. Can anybody tell me? Actually the word is ball. आप लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हो? बॉल यूज करते हो? बॉल वो बोलना है. क्या बोलना है इसको? बॉल. इसको क्या नहीं बोलना? हाँ, आज तक इसको क्या बोलते आ रहे थे? There is one disease that is irritable bowel syndrome, जिसमें कभी तो पर्सन को कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है, कभी पर्सन को डायरिया हो जाता है. So these things इस चीज के लिए मेडिसिन हो जाते हैं, तो इसको बॉल बोलना है ना कि बाउल बोलना है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड वेरी गुड। ये डांसिंग विद एक फैमिली सिस्टम होता है कि आपका डांसिंग विद सिंगिंग और इस तरीके से कोई, बट एक्चुअली तो इसको वर्ड बोलते हैं दैट इज ओपरा। बोलिए ओपरा। तो आप इसको क्या नहीं बोलेंगे? यस इट मे बी, but the thing is there is a word particular you will find in dictionary that means what? Opera. It is not opera. Very good. Coming on the next word. Yes please, three of you try. Come on first. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? आप यूज करते हो इसको, आपके घर में मिल जाते कई बार। क्या वर्ड है? हाँ जी ललिता, what is the word? Yes बच्चे, what is the word? Actually the word is coupon. बोलिए coupon. बोलिए coupon. This word is not coupon. आज के बाद इसको कूपन नहीं बोलना कभी। नेक्स्ट वर्ड, व्हाट इज द वर्ड? एक बहुत रेयर डिजीज आ गई है, देखिए ध्यान से। हाँ बहुत जल्दी फैल रही है इन दिनों, राइट? बट एक्चुअली इसको डेंगू नहीं बोलना, इसको बोले डेंगी। बोलिए डेंगी। इसको आज के बाद आप क्या नहीं बोलोगे? डेंगू नहीं बोलना। क्या तो हम इसको कई बार गलत बोल देते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड, मैं आपको क्लास में सिखा चुका हूँ। हाँ वेरी गुड। वी वॉन्ट यूज इज ब्रेकफास्ट, इट इज ब्रेकफास्ट। हम लोग क्लास के अंदर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आते हैं, तो वो फर्स्ट बोलना है। क्या बोलना है? ब्रेकफास्ट। क्या नहीं बोलना? फास्ट नहीं बोलना। हमें क्या बोलना है? ब्रेकफास्ट। कमिंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट थिंग, वी हैव अ वर्ड। वेरी गुड। ये वर्ड बहुत अच्छा है और शायद मेरी जो लेडीज कैंडिडेट है वो सबसे ज्यादा इनको यूज करती होगी, राइट? Whether it is Vidura or madam, you all of you and married ladies mostly uses it, right? Boys भी यहाँ पर चेन में डाल के रखते हैं क्या अच्छी सी? ठीक है, तो you should use, but the thing is, I'll tell you this word at last, because this word will develop your personality in front of people when you speak in a correct manner. और आपको बता दूं, आप में से जो भी ये वर्ड बोल रहा है वो गलत बोल रहा है। और इसको मैं लास्ट में क्यों रख रहा हूँ, ये भी रीजन है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली में this thing is an ornament for ladies, so it's a very appreciative thing for them. So क्यों ना इसको लास्ट में ऐसा तरीका से बताइए कि इनमें से कोई भी यहाँ से भूल के ना जाए और हमेशा याद ही रखे, लिखने की भी उनको जरूरत ना पड़े। Coming on next word, very good, almost you are right. Here this word a is silent, full. Next word शेर। शेर को क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट? वेरी गुड, इसको लॉइन नहीं बोलना। क्या बोलना है इसको? वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी हैव Here this I is silent. अब बोलिए मेरे साथ, फैमिली। हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इसको वैसे? फैमिली। तो फैमिली नहीं बोलना, इसको क्या बोलना है? फैमिली, क्योंकि I is silent. Coming on the next thing, क्या वर्ड है? Here R is silent. हम पार्क घूमने जाते हैं ना, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? पार्क। क्या नहीं बोलेंगे? और कई लोग तो इसको पार्क बोलते हैं, तो पार्क नहीं बोलना आपको, क्या बोलना है? पार्क। R is silent. Coming to the next word. Very good. This army man is right here. It is not Catholic. It is Catholic. O is silent. So इसको आप क्या बोलेंगे हम? अगर किसी से क्वेश्चन बोलना है, Are you Catholic? You won't use Are you Catholic? You will use Are you Catholic? Coming to the next word. खाते हो चॉकलेट, तो क्या बोलोगे इसको? O will be silent. Here this word, this O is silent. So you'll say chocolate. बोलिए chocolate. It is not chocolate. क्या बोलोगे? Chocolate. Coming to next word.
पिज्जा।
वेरी गुड। ये आप सब सही बोलते हैं, मुझे आपको सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बैठा कोई बच्चा ये नहीं बोलता होगा पिज्जा। आप नहीं बोलते है ना, बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते। आजकल ऐसा ऐड भी आता है ना? मैंने फेसबुक वगैरह पे इसका ऐड देखा था, एक पर्सन था, ही वाज अ सेलिब्रिटी ओनली, तो उसको पिज्जा बोल देता है, फिर वो लोग हंसते हैं, फिर वो एक्चुअली अपने आप आइडियलनेस शो कर देता है लास्ट में। बट द थिंग इज वी वांट टू स्पीक इट पिज्जा, वी विल स्पीक इट पिज्जा, राइट? सो आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको सच्ची में पिज्जा अच्छा लगता है? वेरी गुड, ठीक है ठीक है। तो आप लोग पिज्जा खाते हो, अच्छी बात है। देयर आर मेनी जोक्स ऑन पिज्जा आल्सो। कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट वर्ड, स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वर्ड इज डैबरी। नो IS, डैबरी। क्या बोलेंगे? हाँ, क्या मतलब क्या होता है इसका, कोई बता सकता है मुझे? वेरी गुड, वेस्टेज। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, दिस वन वर्ड मोजिटो। क्या होता है ये वर्ड? सुने आपने? गर्मियों में जब आप बहुत थके होते हो, आप लाइम मिलाते हो, ये करते हो, वो करते हो, एक ड्रिंक बनाते हो और पीते हो, उसको बोलते हैं ये वर्ड। नहीं, एक्चुअली द वर्ड इज नॉट मोजिटो, द वर्ड इज मोहिटो। बोलिए मोहिटो। इट इज नॉट मोजिटो, इट इज मोहिटो। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, दिस वर्ड क्या वर्ड है स्टूडेंट्स? आपके घर पे बहुत आता है ये, सही करने के लिए आपके वेरी गुड. तो इसमें हम लोग बी कभी नहीं बोलेंगे. द वर्ड इज प्लम्बर. प्लम्बर. वी वॉन्ट यूज इट प्लम्बर. हम इसको क्या यूज करेंगे? प्लम्बर. वेरी गुड. कमिंग ऑन नेक्स्ट विच. व्हाट इज द वर्ड? Okay, you tried your best. The word is hierarchy. हाँ, hierarchy. जैसे आजकल finance बोलते हैं, finance नहीं बोलते, तो सर the same case, this is hierarchy. बोलिए hierarchy. Having okay. So I want all of you to repeat with me all these words fast. Entrepreneur. Two ways. One you can say entrepreneur. One you can use even entrepreneur. But the correct and the exact pronunciation is entrepreneur. Come back. Asthma. February. Beverage. Average. Diaper. Orange. Sour. Comfortable. Buffet. Ball. Opera. Open. Dengue. Etc. Oh sorry. Coupon. Ha. I think I have repeated wrong. Coupon. Breakfast. और लेडीज की इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आ गई, शायद वो सोच रहे मैं बता दूंगा, मगर मैं इसको लास्ट में बताऊंगा. Lion. Family. Park. Catholic. Chocolate. Pizza. Savory. Mojito. Mortgage. Mortgage. We won't use T here. It is mortgage. क्या होता है mortgage? गिरवी वगैरह रखते हो ना कुछ चीज. Mortgage. Plumber. Hierarchy. Next comes the most important word for all ladies standing over here and those who are sitting in my seminar. That is the word. So you will really astonish to listen this word because it means Zool. बोलिए मेरे साथ. Zool. इसको क्या प्रोनाउंस करोगे आज के बाद? Zool. हाँ, Zool. Jewelry. Okay, so we have learned today so many things. Clap for 3 of them for participating. Have your seat. We will come back with our own notes. So let us start, students, with our working notes. Today I have brought something very interesting for all of you to develop your English, develop your personality. Please have and give me the meaning fast. Fatafat do, fatafat, fast. And write your name as soon as you get. Take only one and give it to others fast. So this session is going to be very dynamic with these notes. And as we know, English plays a vital role in our personality. So today we are going to start a very dynamic notes. And anybody is remaining and didn't get the notes can ask me. All of you have got? Ladies side? Very good. So you didn't get? Take from them. So students, are we ready? This is a dynamic book which we are going to do, and just now I have showed you a movie also based on that, right? The name of this matter is Who Moved My Cheese? Students, let us come back on our aspect of English. हम लोग सब यहाँ पर spoken English की क्लास करते हैं. We all are preparing ourselves to be an expert in English, to talk in English. But the one thing which I want to guide you is, through this book, I will tell you how to achieve anything, what you want in life. And the most important thing is your English, which plays a vital role. Many people are saying that no doubt we should know some other languages also. I agree with them. But English is the second language of the world and an international language also. Whenever you are going for any interview, it will be very helpful to you. So one thing, only one thing I will suggest you to be an English expert is, you don't need any person to learn English. Although you need a guide to ask things, जैसे मैंने आज आपको बहुत ज़्यादा guidance दी words की, you need a guide. But if you think, sir, my friends are not cooperating, sir, my parents don't know English, my brother is too young to talk to me, my sister is not at all discussing with me such matter because she is busy in her Sanskrit subjects. She can, and your brother can. But the thing is who you are. One thing you do, that is you decide any problem in your life, any big problem, whatever is going on, whatever is not going, doesn't matter. You think of any problem and solve that problem in English, in the mind itself. Because once when we start thinking in English, we can easily speak in English. The problem is that we don't think in English. What we do, we speak in English, we try to speak, but we don't think. We always make our thinking in Hindi first, and then we try to convert it, which is not possible, because in Hindi we are using that, wherever we are using that Ram mango khata hai. Example. So you have seen mango has come prior, khana has come late. But in English what we are saying? Ram eats mango. Here the verb comes first. So whenever you will think in Hindi and then you will speak, you will always speak wrong English. So the one thing which you keep in mind is you have to think in English also. Today's matter will give us a boost up in our personality, and why this matter is important I will guide you later on when we are going this matter. This matter is based on cheese. How many of you prefer cheese here? कितने लोगों को cheese पसंद है? Cheese की सब्जी, cheese, पनीर, very good. काफी लोग मुझसे मिलते जुलते हैं. I appreciate. And the writer of this matter is Spencer Johnson. उन्होंने एक और book लिखी है, The 1 Minute Manager. That is also quite interesting. An amazing way to deal with change in your work and in your life. Here we have 4 characters. Students, यहाँ पर 4 characters हैं. Sniff, scurry, they are mice. चूहे छोटे छोटे. Then comes hem and haw. Hem is a negative personality and haw is a positive personality. Sniff and scurry क्या है? छोटे छोटे mice है. और जो व्यक्ति है, जो sniff और scurry के अलावा जो hem और haw है, उनका भी size sniff और scurry जितना ही है. यानी कि all they are of this much size, this much. Sniff and scurry, and 2 are hem and haw. Now the thing most important is that this sniff and scurry, they are mice. Their sensitive power is very much. So they felt as if that whatever cheese we are eating will get rotten soon. So what they did, when they came to know about this thing, what they did, they ran from that place because they need some other cheese, because they know very well if we eat same cheese, what will happen? This rotten cheese will get sick, will get diseased. So what they did, they left that place. Now what happened? Who remained? Ham and haw. Ham is a quite negative personality and haw is a positive personality. And now if I'll ask you what is the difference between negative personality and positive personality, there is no difference at all in looking wise, talking wise. You will find a nice person also a negative person. It is not that always. But what is the difference is that nobody is totally negative for anything and nobody is positive for anything. We are also negative for so many things. So that time people will say us we are negative personalities. But when we are positive for certain things, people will say you are positive in that thing. So nobody is 100% negative and nobody is 100% positive. Understood my thing? Now the thing is, in this book the writer has stated that Ham is quite negative in running, in working hard, in having less passion, less enthusiasm, and he is not a hard worker. But Haw is quite hard worker and positive attitude personality. This the writer want to show us. Like in any movie, the director is showing any hero you take, Hrithik Roshan and all this. So they will show his personality very dynamic, and just against his the villains would be very negative personality. They will show like this. Why? Because they want to create a picture in front of us. Similarly, our life, here the writer want to say that Haw is a very positive person, और सकारात्मक सोच का व्यक्ति है, and Ham is all a negative personality. Now what happened? When Haw says to Ham, my dear friend, please help me. We should also go out in search of new cheese because Sniff and Scurry has already left the place. He states that no, we won't go anywhere. हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. Then this writer, this Ham says that we won't go anywhere because their chances are very negligible. Suppose we go and there are no cheese, what will happen? We will die of hunger. Then Haw says that once we will go there, then why to eat this rotten? Because when we will eat this rotten, we will definitely get diseased. It is better to search in a cheese. Ham did agree. He said that okay, I will eat less amount and I will take care of myself. He states no. You do one thing, you better work on this thing. Then he didn't agree. Then Haw states next time, like many times when we are going for any place, what happens? People are saying us, अरे यार अपने भी चलते हैं. अपने कहते नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं हो. Like in my life when I was in college, one of my friends said me, we should go out. हम लोग बाहर चलते हैं और एक अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट है इंदौर में, एंड वी शुड लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. Then this writer is, then I said no, yaar, I won't go anywhere. He said please yaar. I told yaar I am an English medium student, why will I go? He said no yaar, please अपने चलते हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं यार मुझे जरूरत नहीं है, एक्चुअली मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम का स्टूडेंट हूँ, मुझे इंग्लिश सीख के क्या करना है. कहता नहीं यार वो बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, इंटरव्यू है, whatever things we are teaching है. तो मैंने कहा नहीं मुझे जरूरत नहीं है यार, मैं तो इंग्लिश मीडियम का स्टूडेंट, मुझे जरूरत नहीं. Then he bribed me. उसने मुझे ब्राइब किया और he said me यार मैं तुम्हें कुछ खिलाऊंगा, और एक 56 मार्केट है वहां पर इन इंदौर. He states me that I'll provide you pohas there. मैं तुम्हें क्या खिलाऊंगा? पोहे खिलाऊंगा. मैंने यार ये आइडिया सही है, मैं पोहे खा लूंगा, मगर मैं जाके क्या करूंगा? वो कहता प्लीज यार चलना तो पोहे तो खा लूंगा. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है यार. और विद दिस ब्राइब आई रीच देयर, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट विद माय फ्रेंड ओवर देयर वेयर आई वाज टोटली अनइंटरेस्टेड, व्हेन आई रीच्ड एंड मेट दैट डायनामिक पर्सन आई रियलाइज माई सेल्फ. क्योंकि हम जब किसी व्यक्ति से 2 मिनट भी मिल लेते हैं हमें पता लग जाता है हम कहां खड़े हैं और वो किस जगह पर है. तो आई रियलाइज दैट ही इज रियली एन अल्टीमेट मैन एंड आई एम नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. And when I realized that thing, I really started respecting him and said, my friend here, you brought me a very dynamic place. I should also join this thing. And somehow I joined and managed myself and learned so many things. Same case here, but Ham didn't agree at all. Then Hope again requested, because he's a friend. He said, my dear friend, apne chalte yaar, please. He said, no, I won't go. So he is just equal to that person whose name was Robert Fulton. This Robert Fulton is a person who was staying in a village, and he was very optimistic person. All his villagers were fishermen, and what he did, he made a steamboat for them. Although the name was not designed that day, and it was said as a boat which runs through key, चाबी से चलने वाली boat. उसने बनाई, and he called his fishermen to come and see this. All fishermen, they were 10,000 in numberings, they were all negative personalities. वो सब क्या थे? नकारात्मक सोच के व्यक्ति थे. And they somehow managed, वो खड़े हुए और किसी तरीके से उसके पास मिलने गए. अब वो he was standing in near the bank of the river and to show them the performance of that boat. और क्यों दिखा रहा था? The reason behind that, he said, my dear friend, presently you are going on boats only through oar, चप्पू से जाते हो, and you are catching hardly few fishes and you remain poor. But once you catch more fishes with this steamboat, you can go far and you can catch more fishes, you can become rich. And I have prepared for you, you can come and see. They all came. But they all were what type of personalities? They were of negative personalities. So when they came and stand near the bank of the river, they started laughing and enjoying, and they started clapping also. So I would request you to let us see and understand what type of situation has created with that person. हम सब ये तालियां बजाएंगे और ये बोलेंगे ये नहीं चलेगी, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने भी यही कहा था कि ये नहीं चलेगी. दैट इज अ रियल स्टोरी. तो एक बार बोलो मेरे साथ, ये नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. अब सपोज some person is standing and trying to put the key and we will say नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. What will happen? His moral will down. What will happen? He won't able to click the thing, or the real thing happened, that thing doesn't work क्योंकि उससे चाबी नहीं लगी. Reason, he got feared, he got scared, he got nervous, and somehow that thing happened and he felt as if that I can't do anything. But he maintained his dignity and he tried again. But now when it didn't work, तो लोगों को और मौका मिल गया and they raised again their claps. So once more your claps in speed manner. नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. So 10,000 people are clapping like this. What will happen? Again nervous, but he remembered all his goals and somehow he managed to switch on that thing with his key और चल पड़ी. मगर नेगेटिव आदमी तो नेगेटिव रहता है. They all were negative. They again clap and say ये नहीं रुकेगी, नहीं रुकेगी, नहीं रुकेगी. चल तो गई है मगर अब रुकेगी. So the thing is that negative persons remains negative until unless they think themselves to be positive. जब तक वो खुद नहीं सोचेंगे that I should be positive, they can't be remain negative. Same case here, our Ham and Hope. This Hope personality is very optimistic person, but Ham is quite negative personality. What he did, he didn't work, and this Hope tried his best, but he didn't work. So what happened? Had Hope said him, okay friend, if you don't want to go, I will. I'm going. He said, okay, you can go, and he left. Now Hope is alone and in search of a new cheese. When he was searching a new cheese, he found. उसे वो चीज मिल गई, और वो चीज जब उसे मिला, he felt very happy, and he found one more thing. He found Sanif and Scurry already enjoying that cheese. He also accompanied them. Now what happened? The condition of Ham. What Ham thought, that this cheese is enough for me because all have gone. But he was unaware that this cheese is going to be rotten soon. And within 5 days, what happened? This cheese started getting rotten. And somehow when this cheese getting rotten, what happened? He is bound to eat that rotten cheese. उसे वो चीज खाना ही पड़ा. And when we will eat something rotten, what will happen? We will become sick. And in sickness also we are bound to eat that rotten only. What will happen? We will be no more. Agree with me? So on this story, writer has given us 8 dynamic points to differentiate our life from others. Why language, why personality, why all these things are necessary in our life? Because these are putting an icing on the cake of on your personality. How? Let us go through these 8 points which are written in your book, and I'll explain you and make you understand. So any of my reader would like to read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Anybody?
Always remember, first, having cheese makes you happy.
So you agree with me that if we get our cheese, we will become happy, है ना? हमको हमारा चीज मिल जाए, हमें हमारा पनीर मिल जाए. You all are here to learn English speaking. You all are here to develop your personality. You all are here to come for interview. You all are here to develop yourself for your group discussions, for your presentations. Once you learn all these things, what will happen? You will be happy. So same thing here. Next point, please.
The more important your cheese is to you, the more you want to hold.
जितना important आपके लिए चीज होगा, जितना important, how much important? What do you have to do? You will hold on to it. You will hold it. You will not leave it. I have heard when my army fellows have come to me. I met this person last month Sunday. He told me, sir, I am unable to come your regular classes. So it is possible for me to come on Sundays. I told Sundays are free, dear. You should. And I haven't seen any leave in this person. So what's your good name?
Sir, myself Kaman Singh.
Very good, Kaman Singh. I appreciate your concern that you are unable to come and unable to join personality. But when I told you that Sundays classes are free of course and you are welcome, you didn't miss a single class. This is really appreciative from your side. You can even see these lectures on YouTube also. आप घर बैठ के क्विल्ट में बैठ के और ग्राउंड नट और बहुत सी रेवड़ी गज्जक वगैरह खाकर भी ये लेक्चर सुन सकते हो. मगर आप यहाँ आए, ये बात बहुत appreciative है. And you know one thing also that one we see anything live and one we see in movie, there is a big difference. We learn more through life. Agree with me? तो जितना ज्यादा आपके लिए आपका चीज इंपॉर्टेंट होगा, उतना ज्यादा आप उसको होल्ड करके रखोगे, थाम के रखोगे, पकड़ के रखोगे. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
What happened when a student came to me? He told me, sir, there is one good news, one bad news. कौन सी सुनोगे पहले? मैंने क्या कहा होगा? भास्कर, मैंने क्या कहा होगा? मैंने यही कहा कि भाई अच्छी न्यूज सुना यार. तो he told me, sir, मेरा ना सिलेक्शन हो गया बैंक में, PNB, और I had an interview. I told okay. मैंने कहा यार वो एक बुरी न्यूज भी थी. कहता हाँ सर, actually my brother's marriage on the interview date. So 15 Feb 2008. मैंने कहा भाई पंकज, तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि अब तुम्हें क्या करना होगा. कहता सर मुझे सिर्फ इंटरव्यू देना, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगा. अब मुझे बताइए स्टूडेंट कि 15 Feb 2008 को he was dancing in front of the mayor means घोड़ी, और he was enjoying the marriage. क्या कर रहा था दोनों में से? He was taking an interview. Why? The reason is only one, because he knows the more important my cheese is, the more I want to hold on to it. Your second point कि जितना important आपके लिए आपका चीज होगा, उतना ज्यादा आप उसको क्या करके रखोगे? होल्ड ऑन करके रखोगे, पकड़ के रखोगे, थाम के रखोगे. एग्री करते हो मेरे साथ? Coming on the third point, please.
If you don't change, you can become extinct.
Very good. अगर आप चेंज के साथ चेंज नहीं हुए तो क्या होगा? You will become extinct. Extinct का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? विलुप्त हो जाना. विलुप्त मीन्स बिल्कुल गायब हो जाना. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा, आप बिल्कुल गायब नहीं होंगे अगर आप चेंज के साथ चेंज नहीं हुए. बट द थिंग इज, आई अप्रिशिएट माई कंसर्न ऑफ वन ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट. ही कन्वेड मी, सर, I was your student 10 years back. I told yes, you are my student, and I want my wife also to be a perfect lady in English. I agree, बिमला मैडम. उन्होंने यही कहा था आपके हस्बैंड ने कि मैं अपनी वाइफ को भी एक परफेक्ट लेडी देखना चाहता हूँ. वो आपको विशु बोलते हैं. हाँ, तो he told me कि I really want my wife also to be diamond. When I purchased the scooty for my wife from your showroom, तो आपके हस्बैंड ने मुझे पहचान लिया and he said, सर, तो मैंने भी पहचान लिया. मैंने कहा मेरे स्टूडेंट. तो कहता सर अब आप कहाँ जाओगे? मैंने कहा मैं कहीं जा ही नहीं सकता. कहता नहीं सर, आप स्कूटी देख रहे हो तो आप अलग अलग शोरूम में तो जा ही रहे हो. मैंने कहा मैं जा आया हूँ, मगर अभी भी मैं 2-3 जगह जा सकता हूँ, मगर मैं तुमसे मिली हूँ तो मैं कहीं नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि अब तो मेरे स्टूडेंट हो और 10 ईयर से हमारा रिलेशन है. तो कहता सर मेरे को आपके लिए बोले मेरे को मेरी वाइफ को डेवलप करना है एंड आई वांट हर टू बी अ डायनेमिक इंग्लिश स्पीकर. आई टोल्ड नो डाउट बट शी शुड हैव टू स्ट्रगल हार्ड एंड ही आल्सो एंड मैडम इज आल्सो कोऑपरेटिंग अस. सो द थिंग इज इफ यू डोंट चेंज व्हाट विल हैपन, यू विल बिकम एक्सटेंट. तो सच में ये नहीं कि यू विल बिकम एट ऑल विलुप्त हो जाओगे आप, ऐसा नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज व्हेन यू विल नॉट बिकम सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, योर लाइफ विल बी वेरी लेस अराउंड यू, पीपल वुड बी लेस अराउंड यू. आपके आर बार की जो माहौल होगा ना, आपको अपने आप कम दिखेगा और एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पास आपको अपने आप माहौल ज्यादा दिखेगा. तो दिस थिंग विल हैपन इन योर लाइफ. इफ यू बिकम सक्सेसफुल, पीपल विल फॉलो यू, बट इफ यू बिकम अनसक्सेसफुल, पीपल विल अनफॉलो यू. एंड आप जाते हो किस रास्ते में, पीपल वुड टर्न समवेयर, यार ये ऐसी बात करेगा, नेगेटिव पर्सन है, तो दे विल फील ऐसे. नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज.
Change is going to happen whether I'm afraid of it or whether I like
So
it.
very interesting point again. Change तो होके रहेगा students, whether I like it or not. So the change will definitely be there. Recently we had our student, हमारे पास एक student था, although he is absent today, Shubham. His father is also in income tax, and he states last days he told me, sir, I want to go for SSB, and I have seen the same passion. Being a student, he is trying his best, but I have seen the same passion in Naresh also. Although he is doing job, but preparing for SSB with job, with preparations matters a lot in your life. So which shows that you are more dedicated person. For a person who is quite free, he can do anything. Have we started?
Yes, sir.
Which point we were on, students?
4.
Please start.
Smell the cheese often so you know when it is getting cold.
Very good. Again, you should smell your cheese, whatever you have. Like suppose somebody has become something. Example, my Naresh student has become an army person. Now also he is struggling. What is the reason behind that? Because he want to go for officer post. Agree? Same case with Manoj. Same case with my other colleagues. So why we are struggling hard? It means that we have to smell whatever we have. Suppose you know English very well. You think as if that English मुझे आती है. Go in front of any person who is more knowledgeable to you. You will realize where you stand. This is the best way to learn English. You go search person who is more dynamic to you, stand in front of you, you will realize where I am. This is the best way. So the thing is, in fourth point is, you should smell your cheese. That whatever I get, is it okay or not? Presently, for an unemployed person, 10,000 is enough. 20,000 is enough. But for a married person, 10,000 is enough. Enough. Married, right? You know very well what are the charges and what are the costs which we have to spend for our family. We have kids, we have our wife, we have household works, household items we have to purchase, even clothes, so many things starts. But when we are bachelor, our expenses are quite less. So at that age, even going with a small job, that is enough. But when we get married, we become family person, that time our expenses become quite increased. So here comes the importance of your language, here comes the importance of your development. Next point please.
You should notice when the little change begins so that you would be better prepared for the big change that might.
छोटे changes को पकड़ो student, small changes. Because what happens, people starts their life, their career when they really need that thing. Many ladies, many students, many teachers, many housewives are reaching me when they really need something and they tell me their target. That is not the right time to develop yourself. The right time is only one. कोई बात नहीं, इतना बोल दे. Right time is only one. That is, you need one thing. That is your own motto. Like, please read out once again.
You should notice when the little change begins so that you would be better prepared for the big change that might be coming.
Very good. छोटे changes को पकड़ो students, क्योंकि people are coming to me when they really need something. Actually that is wrong. We should go and learn something when we don't need that thing. That time we can learn in a better manner and more optimistic manner. But the thing is opposite in India and especially people like us. हम लोग उस चीज के लिए तब दौड़ते हैं जब सच्ची में हमें उसकी जरूरत होती है. हम जब फ्री होते हैं, जब हमारे पास कोई काम नहीं होता, तब हम उस चीज को नहीं सीखते. और वो टाइम सबसे अच्छा टाइम होता है. Once one girl, she is an MSc, she asked me, sir, ये जो 9th क्लास का जो बच्चा बैठा है, ये जो 6th क्लास का बच्चा बैठा है आपके पास 5th क्लास का बच्चा बैठा है और हम भी बैठे हैं, तो सर ज्यादा अच्छी एज कौन सी है सीखने की? मैंने आप डिसाइड कर लो. And she realized कि सर वो ये सबसे अच्छी है जब हमें सच्ची में चीज की जरूरत ही नहीं है, हम उस चीज को एंजॉय करते हुए करेंगे और ज्यादा अच्छे से करेंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट प्लीज.
Movement in a new direction helps you find new cheese.
Movement in a new direction. Once you move in a new direction, you will really find a new cheese. But we fear of going somewhere new places. I found today when I came at 11 o'clock after doing my some works, I found one of my student and he has come to me quite early. So I asked him कि भाई आप इतनी जल्दी कैसे आ गए? तो ये कहता सर मैं बाहर से आता हूँ और मुझे पता. तो मैंने इसको जो लाइन कही मैंने कहा बहुत सही टाइम पर आए हो. ये कहते नहीं सर मैं जल्दी आया हूँ. तो मैंने कहा नहीं तुम जल्दी नहीं आए, तुम सही टाइम पर आए हो, क्योंकि तुम रियलाइज कर चुके हो ये बात कि सर लेट जाने से अच्छा है मैं थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंचे. तो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट हिज कंसर्न दैट ही हैज कम क्वाइट अर्ली फॉर द लेक्चर बिकॉज़ ही रियली नीड्स एंड ही वांट्स टू लर्न इट. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
Imagining myself enjoying new cheese even before I find it leads.
इट्स अ बिग चैप्टर स्टूडेंट्स. आप इसको सर्कल कर लो. हम इसको एक दिन देंगे. मैं आपको एक दिन लूंगा इस लाइन को समझाने के लिए. हम लोग एक कंप्लीट डे लेक्चर रखेंगे which will be in a particular, we'll plan in a hotel and we will have a whole day lecture that, and we will organize in such a manner that we will have our lunch also there and we will provide food, spreading food for everybody. उसको क्या कहते हैं मैंने अभी भी आपको सिखाया था. वेरी गुड. उसको क्या नहीं कहते? बफे नहीं कहेंगे. इसको क्या कहेंगे? बुफे. हम लोग बुफे सिस्टम रखेंगे and I will explain you this important point. This plays a very vital role in your life. That imagining myself. Imagining means you have to tell the universe that I need this thing and universe will provide you. आपने लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्ड सुना होगा, है ना? आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा ये वर्ड. आपने द सीक्रेट मूवी देखी होगी किसी ने आप में से. तो ये सब क्या है? दिस इज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन and this relates a complete chapter we will go through in whole day and we will try to understand and develop ourselves. मैं इस पे आपको पूरा दिन लूंगा, ठीक है? And I'll develop you in this aspect. Next point.
It's safer to search in the maze than remain in a cheese lesson.
ज्यादा अच्छा क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? Go in maze. Maze means what? Maze means भूल भुलैया, puzzle. आपने ऊपर वाले दो डैश जो देखे उसमें देखो लिखा हुआ है Maze is where you look for what you want. The community live in. जिस तरीके की कम्युनिटी में आप रहते हो वो कम्युनिटी के अंदर अंदर आपको ढूंढना है. आपको अपने मीज को कहाँ चाहिए. So the thing is, and उससे भी ऊपर आपको एक वर्ड और मिल गया होगा स्टूडेंट, चीज. मिला हम लोगों को? चीज का मीनिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? चीज चेंज हो चुका है. आपने लाइंस में देख लिया होगा. चीज का मतलब एम हो चुका है. चीज का मतलब पनीर नहीं है. स्मेल द चीज. इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कहीं दैट गो इन नियर द फ्रिज और फ्रिज में से पनीर उठाया और सूंघ लिया, उससे काम चल जाएगा? नहीं चलेगा. तो यहाँ पर चीज क्या बन चुका है? आपका एम बन चुका है. चलिए आगे.
Nothing smell change early helps you adapt to the bigger change that are to come.
Very good. Noticing small changes. छोटे छोटे चेंजेस को आप स्मेल करो. You will realize that yes, they play a very important role in my life. आपको रियलाइज हो जाएगा ये बात कि छोटे छोटे डॉट से हमारे जीवन को बनाते हैं. लास्ट पॉइंट आज का.
The fastest way to change is to laugh at your own folly. Then you can let.
और सबसे बढ़िया तरीका क्या है स्टूडेंट्स चेंज होने का? That smile on your own mistake, whatever you have done in your life till yet, whatever it is. If you haven't learned English till yet, if you are unable to learn grammatical things, doesn't matter. But the most important thing is that you have started. सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है कि अब आप उस काम को स्टार्ट कर चुके हो. That's enough. वो enough है हमारे लिए. So student, today I taught you a very dynamic topic regarding your spoken English. I want you to develop yourself as much you can. Start thinking as much you can in English. That's the best way to learn